Wednesday, January 8th, I'm on the East Coast Florida Connector Trail. This morning started off 45 degrees. It was really chilly, windy. Now it's about 11 o'clock. I've done at least 10 miles. Finally got off this road. Just went by some manatees. I'll post some pictures of that and some video. Now it's going to be canal walks. You can see behind me, there's a bunch of canals. Probably see some fish and some gators now. But biggest thing is it's a lot quieter. Last video we posted, we got off trail after doing the Florida Keys Overseas Heritage Trail. It's about 108 miles. I kind of injured my shin and Michelle has blisters, so I'm on the trail solo today. The plan is to do about 25 miles, I hope. Trying to take it easy on my leg. So far, the highlights of the day, I guess, have been it warmed up and somebody offered me a ride. However, I couldn't take it because I need to walk these miles. Today I'm going to do about 25, and then tomorrow 25. I kind of have to stage myself to get a bunch of supplies. So we'll probably stay at the Miccosukee Casino Hotel just to relax. So I'll be walking a bunch tomorrow, then relax for a few hours, get a good night's sleep, and then start back for like a 5-day journey to get out of the swamps at Big Cypress and finish this trail up. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys later. Everything's going great, great weather, warming up, and looking for some trail magic, hopefully, or along this trail somewhere. Bye. I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure these are all poison woods. It looks just like it, and I got a zoomed in picture. Got in a better spot where you can see them in the sun. The mama and the baby. A mullet swimming by. All right, pretty cool. Finally off that road. I got these huge manatees. Hope I don't drop my phone. They're big. They're like, we're protected here. Nobody can mess with us. How big that thing is. Like the size of a car. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. See at least 5. See if we can get them to come closer. One's like, I'm gonna come up and breathe. There we go. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, there's a lot of them. I'm thinking that's just a dog, but at first I thought it was like a, what's it called? Coyote? Good morning. It's Thursday, January 9th. Sun's getting ready to come up. It's about 48 degrees. I'm still on the East Coast Florida Connector Trail. I'm about mile 26. Yesterday I walked about 29 because I had to do like a 3.4 mile round trip to get some water. That was painful. There's not a lot of water choices out here unless you're willing to drink from the canal, which could have ag runoff, so I didn't want to risk that, even though sometimes it looks pretty clean. So I did a 1.7 to Everglades National Visitor Center, the Ernest Co. facility, and that's just like a little side trail starting at mile 22.8, and then it's a 3.4 mile round trip. I was gonna get an Uber, but it didn't seem like it was just gonna come right away, so I just started walking. I ended up walking the round trip, but I got water now. Camped last night at this pump facility, a lock, at mile 25.8, but overall yesterday the day was 29.1, which is pretty brutal for me. Not used to those distances yet, but today's a new day, learning something new every day. What to do, what not to do. Try not to push my limits too hard until I get used to it. Otherwise, you just want to throw in the towel. Still trying to get over my injury to my ankle. It's doing okay. It's just kind of like a throbbing pain, so it's slowing me down a little bit. But after today, I think I decided to get off trail for another week or so. Come back with Michelle and do the Big Cypress, because we really wanted to do that section together, and that's the beginning of the Florida Trail. I'll probably come back eventually to do this section. It's just a lot of road walking and canal walking, so there is one very nice section at the end where you're walking through like a swamp. But it's a beautiful day today. Michelle's supposed to pick me up later around mile marker 50, so it's gonna be a long day, at least 24 miles. It's kind of banging noise up here. You know what it is? I think people are shooting their guns this early in the morning, believe it or not. We'll find out. I'll check back in with you at the shotgun site. It's about 2 o'clock. I'm here at probably like mile 43, little bit further along than that. I'm walking on this lower section of the levee because the gravel's just getting to be like hurting on the shoes. Figured I'd pick this grassy path, a little bit more grass. You can kind of see it. It's a little bit softer on the feet. So basically I have about 6.5 miles left to get to the Miccosukee Hotel where I was going to stay, but I'm getting off trail for a couple days. Give it the weekend. Michelle's feet should be healed up, and we're going to try to come back and start the Florida Trail. It's been a good day of hiking. I met 2 other hikers, Boston and Cubby, 2 ladies up from the Northeast. They started just like we did. They did the Florida Keys section, and then now they're doing the East Coast Florida Connector Trail. So I told them we might see them further down the road. Really good lunch stop at mile marker 32.8 on this East Coast Florida Connector Trail. It's got a Cuban place. I don't eat meat, so it kind of a little bit of a pain. But I was able to have some black beans and rice, salad, and some dessert thing. And they give you free water, which is a bonus for hikers, and there's not much water on this trail that's not possibly contaminated, so any free water you get, it's definitely worth it. Anyways, they're really nice people, good food, nice clean restaurant. I'm back on trail and should be finishing right before dark. Mosquitoes haven't been a problem. A little bit chillier for Florida people. I think the high is like maybe 70. So it's like perfect hiking weather. Not a cloud in the sky today, as you can tell. Just got this straight road left. Then maybe I'll go play some slot machines, grab a beer for the drive home. I'm not driving. All right. See you at the next part of the trail. Couple days. Peace. Last 5 miles before I get to Dade's Corner, which is also known as 41. Kind of like the far western part of Miami. But this is starting to get into some really good looking Everglades terrain. Still looking for some wild animals. Mostly just birds today. Not even one alligator. I don't know, I think it's too cold. I don't want to come out of the water. But this looks pretty neat with all the old trees and swampy land. Definitely looks like panther or bear hangouts. So I just came across a dog sleeping on the trail. And he booked it. I guess he doesn't like the way hikers look. He's gonna give him some protein bar. I don't know if he's hungry or not. I didn't see a leash. Come here, buddy. He's like taking off. He's like, no, thank you. Because the mood is bright. It's 2:16 on a Saturday night. My girl, she is passed out. She's not feeling alright. 24 hours can be a long time. To be lying in bed from the previous night. I'll say I hear and drink myself a beer. All night long, sing this song before me. Yeah, tomorrow will come and the sun will shine. Well, I'll be sitting here right by your side. All right, we got to the end of today. 23.8 walked on trail. I got another 1 mile or so to walk over to the Four Corners Market, which is a good resupply point. It's like a pilot gas station, but the hotel is also up here in the corner. You can't see it yet, but I'm gonna walk over to the pilot gas station so that my wife Michelle can pick me up. She got stuck in some traffic, but I'm definitely going over there to get a cold beer. It's the price you pay to get a cold beer around here. Oh, there's a cross. I don't know what happened there. The pump house. Not too much wildlife today, just the one dog and some birds. Anyways, catch you guys in a few days and get back on trail.